Hi, my friends all. Happy to meet again through this content. Hopefully everyone is in good health and always happy with family, of course. Let's look at some wild animals together. Existing in this world, especially tigers and leopards are both ferocious, defeating other animals that are physically bigger and stronger. We all know, in the universe, a wide variety of animals. Some are benign and wild. Let's watch now. The tiger ambushed the crocodile by the river. The crocodile lost because its neck was strangled by a tiger, and then brought up into the forest to eat. Crocodiles are slaughtered, then crossed to swim through the river. Now, we see elephants with rhinos, both big animals. Elephant, this is bigger, but the rhino isn't afraid to fight elephants. Need to know, if an elephant weighs up to 1 ton or more, the rhinoceros does not reach 1 ton. A maximum of 800 kilograms. It seems, the rhino is now somewhat scared and runs away all scared. Then let's watch. Forest cows give birth to children in the forest. Might still smell. Tigers are always lurking. Newborn calves. Lion wanted to ambush the calf, but the cow flipped after the lion chased. The lion was afraid of being alone. Finally, the calf was ambushed by the tigers. The calf is helpless. The calf is helpless, already surrounded by tigers. Luckily, the herd of cows also came, the tigers on the run all. Now, wake up the little calf, gather again with a big cow. Save them, so cancel the tiger's evil intentions. Then we see a swarm of leopards fighting with his friend in the forest. This fight is very exciting. There is no losing win. Lasts until the evening.